just sitting outside, reading a book. I don't want to go out there and disturb him. Oh, that's so loud, isn't it? I think I'm going to actually practice my homework outside with him. Practice my homework. I'm going to work on some of my homework for my final outside because it's nice. Woo woo. So I'm sitting outside and I am stalling so much because I really just don't want to do this. Yay, math! So nice! I'm so ready to take why can't I think of it? The inner tubes down there this summer. Ooh, so much fun. So because I'm still stalling, and Shade is out here riding his bike, here he is. Whee! What? Oh, they're having a fire over there? It was just like a few months ago, well, I guess last summer, that he was like crying at the idea of us taking his training wheels off. And now that he's just like zooming up and down the street, it's just like, it feels really good. It's cool. It's fun watching my kids succeed and then get really excited about it. As they should. I love this street. It's crazy when you think about how old these trees are. All the lights are off, probably can't see me. I decided to be done with dumb stuff. So over it. I wanted to go ride my bike with my kid.
Let's see if we can do a race.
Okay.
Okay?
Is that Jeremy?
Yep, that's Jeremy, alright.
Yep.
Beep, beep, beep.
Beep, beep, beep.
Beep, 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 beep. Hang on, Mom.
Alright. Getting on.
Woohoo! Beep, beep, beep.
Gonna ride some bikes. Here we go. Whoopee! Cut through these guys' wrap around. Whee! Incoming! Don't.